How to turn Wi-Fi on when grayed out. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and you'll get to see the option of Screen Time. Simply head over to Screen Time. And then move into Content and Privacy Restriction. In this page, what you want to do is, you simply have to toggle off this option. Once it has been toggled off, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then tap on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and then once again enter the screen time passcode. Tap on Reset All Settings. Once done, try turning on the Wi-Fi and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video, and make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.